Good evening. My name is Kathy Norman, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about the NULS Wallet. You use your NULS Wallet to manage your accounts. You can spend tokens by transferring the tokens from one account to another, and you can also spend tokens by executing blockchain resources such as deploying or executing a contract. So the first thing that we recommend that you do is you use your browser in incognito mode, and I've already got NULS Wallet entered. That's wallet.nuls.io, and the first thing that we're going to do is create an address. In other words, we're going to create the account address. And the first thing it asks for is a password. People recommend that you have a password no less than 11 characters in length, or some people, I should say, recommend that you have a password somewhere between 16 and 20 characters. So this password generator will generate a variety of passwords for you with any mix of characters that you specify. This one is 17 characters. That's good enough. It's greater than 16. NULS expects 20 characters or less for the password. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to store it in my Word file. Here we go. Let's enter the password. I understand that I need to keep my password secure. And here is my account. It ends in DE. There we go, DE. And I'm going to back up my account, and I'm going to back it up with a key store backup, which of course requires a password. Hang on while I copy that. My key store password, it's the key store file, and the key store file will be downloaded to my download file. And it's going to be the name of the account, the address of the account, I should say, .keystore. Now I'm also going to back up the private key, because if I was to lose this key store file, I could use my private key to upload my account. Now my private key is like my password. You should keep it secure and don't share it with anybody. Now I currently have the password stored in my buffer. Let's do a confirm here, and here is the private key, and notice it ends in 1C. Okay, so now we're going to store this. So now we have all the information that we need. Now I'm going to upload this account. I'm just going to copy the password to it. I'm going to show you now what our account looks like. There it is, DE. But I'm going to upload a second account with some NULS in it so I can transfer it to DE. Here we go. I'm going to do a key store import. It's stored in my demo directory. And recall, I copied the password before I began this process. And there it is with a whole 4.992 NULS. I'm going to transfer from A4 to DE. The primary account, as viewed by the wallet, is DE. I need the primary account to be A4, because look at this right here. I'm going to show you the transfer. The transfer is set up as the sender is DE. Okay, every operation that you do in the wallet, it's going to assume you want to do that operation with your primary account. So I need to change my primary account to be the other account. And I'm just going to select enter, and it bounces you to this page where notice now it's listing A4. So let's go back to account management. Therefore now this is opaque and this is A4. A4 is going to be the sender, and I'm going to send it to this account here, which coincidentally does not need to be in my wallet, but of course it's in my wallet because I just created it. But A4 must be in my wallet. Here's a transfer. The sender is A4, the receiver is DE. I'm going to transfer a whole 2 NULS because that's just about all I have in this account. Here's a transfer. There is the summary of it. It's going from A4 to DE. That looks good. And now I'm just going to copy the A4 password. And there you go. 2 tokens plus a little bit extra has been taken out of that account. That extra piece is called the gas, and that is the price that you pay to operate on a blockchain. And if we go back to account management, you'll see that A4 has been decremented 2 units, and there is our 2 for DE. Always log out so that your account's password information is not stored in the wallet. But before we are done, we are going to log out each of these accounts from the wallet. So there is nothing left in the wallet. So I'm going to log out of A4 first, because I believe I still have the password in my buffer. There's that. Now I'm going to copy this password here. And now I'm going to log out of this account. Confirm. Until we meet again, I wish you a happy blockchain experience.